a little time here for a bit. I came out. The twins were standing right next to the road near my front porch. I've seen deer. There's something right along the road there that they like, which makes me really nervous when they're standing in there right next to the road eating something. It must be tasty. But I'm glad it was the twins and not Andre or somebody really skittish that would have bolted. Lucky there was no cars coming. But Tiny and Tossie just stood there and kept eating, rather than being startled by my sudden appearance. By the time I could get some food around for everybody and go in and grab the camera, by the time I got back out, the whole world was here. And had already eaten the food that I put out, so I had to go around and put more. You guys. Oh, they were all around me. I've got to try and record that sometime, how they behave sometimes when I'm, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Oh my. Somebody's thirsty. Is that Andre? I think it is. Mommy, isn't he a little big for that? Oh my goodness. Boy, he is going to town too. Wow. All right. Look at the size of him. Buddy, I think you're kind of big for that. Oh my. That was something. Goodness gracious, there he is with his tail up. He's nearly as big as his mom, for crying out loud. Wow. That was crazy. Boy, he came flying up there with a mission. I didn't know what was going on until it started happening. Golly. Oh my. You guys are quite a crew. You are quite a crew, you are. It seems like we've lost some here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there was 9 here earlier, and I think I just saw 9 down below there. I don't know if I'm getting it, but there's another one down below the trees. Boy, Andre was thirsty. My goodness gracious. That was... I mean, I've seen Fawn's nurse before, but not like that. That was wild. That was wild. My goodness. Oh, I just noticed my camera's crooked. Oh well. Oh well. No biggie. No biggie. We'll just go with it. But anyway, they were, when I was trying to put the food the second time, they were all around me. I had no choice but to walk through them, and they must have been dang hungry, because nobody even came close to, I mean, they moved off just far enough to where I could put the food down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not nice, honey. That's not nice. That's not very nice. I realized I was still zoomed in. What a bunch you are. Oh, I'm not going to be able to... I guess I can see there. Tiny and Tossie. You guys make me nervous eating right next to the road like that, you know. It really makes me nervous. I know. There's something tasty in there. You can't help it. There's something tasty in there. They coming up this way. If I can find them. There they are. Should I go get more food? I already went around twice. I usually try and keep it to that. Because I can't really afford to. I can't afford what I'm doing, period. But I can't stop. I'm addicted to it. I guess some did leave. I just saw somebody hop the fence and running over in the field, a couple of them. Oh, maybe we're done here. It was really, that was the most calm I'd ever seen them behave while I was walking around among them. I mean, I got within 6 feet or so of a couple of them. They didn't want to move. They did not want to move. Oh, somebody didn't chew their food. Who didn't chew their food down there? I hear somebody coughing. Chew. They must have been hungry. Tossy. Tossy. Where you going, sweetie? Please be careful by that road. That makes me so nervous when you guys stand right there by the road. Makes me so nervous. All right. I guess we'll call this. Everything interesting has happened, I think. Not really, but gosh, I love them. They're so entertaining.